Have you been to Lytle Creek? This is Lytle Creek, California. Um, um, it's a creek and like a lot of trails going further down Lytle Creek Road. It's not Little Creek, it's Lytle Creek. And that's the road up there. And it goes, it's just a long road of beautiful, beautiful scenery. It's called Lytle Creek, California. And this is the Lytle Creek. You guys, it's beautiful here. There's so much trash though. It's disheartening to see all the trash here. But I'm gonna get a bag and I'm gonna come and clean the ravine. Oh wait, enough of me. You guys wanna see everything? The water sound.